Hey friends, a lot of users are asking how they can install the Gmail app on Windows 11. Trust me, there is no Gmail app for Windows 11. You can also search for it in the Microsoft Store, or you can search for it on any browser. You won't find any Gmail app. But here's what you can do. This is the mail app. It's not Gmail, it's from a different provider. So you can go to gmail.com on Microsoft Edge browser, not on any other browser, but Microsoft Edge browser, and hit enter. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select more tools, select apps, install the site as an app and name it Gmail and click on install. You can also create a desktop shortcut and click on allow. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.